Hello everyone and welcome to the session 5 of Unit 4 Drilling and Milling Machine for the course Machine Tool Technology. The course code is 15ME43P. Myself Muhammad Imran, lecturer in the Department of Mechanical Engineering, Government Polytechnic, Sarawak. So today we are all discussing all about drill jigs and its types. So in the last class we have discussed about jigs and fixtures. So jigs is a device which is used to hold, locate and also guide the one or more tool for holding the workpiece, whereas fixture is just used for holding the workpiece. It will not guide the tool. So in the today's session we are discussing different types of drill jig. So jig is a device which is guides the tool including the clamping of the workpiece. So drill jig is used specifically for identifying the and speed up the finding the location of the uh, hole where the hole has to be drilled. So it is used for finding the speeding up the finding the location of the um, hole to be drilled on the multiple and interchangeable parts by acting as a template. So it will act as a template so that in that template we have it has a hole. So it will guide the tool to drill the hole in that particular place only. So it will act as a template to guide the tool, and also it will speed up the finding the location of the drilling. So by and also produces the interchangeable parts and repetitive parts, and it will act as a template to guide the tool in order to find the location of drill. So these are some requirements of drill jig. So quick and accurate location of the workpiece. So quick and accurate location of the workpiece will be done by drill jig. Easy loading and unloading of the workpiece. So some of the drill jigs are used for easy unloading and unloading of the workpiece. Prevention of wrong handling. So wrong handling of the workpiece prevented by using drill jig. Prevention of bending moment of the workpiece during drilling operation. Ample chip clearance, facility of spot removal and cleaning, lightweight to minimize the operator fatigue, prevention of loss of parts by using chains, clearance for overshoot of the drill. So these are the requirements of drill. So next is the types of drill. We have template jig, plate jig, channel jig, diameter jig, leaf jig, ring jig, and a box jig. So next, the first one is template jig. So it is the simplest type of all the jigs. So you can show in the figure. So this is the template jig. So this is the workpiece. So it is having a holes for guiding the tools to accurately position the uh, tool to do the drilling operation. It is the simplest of all the types. A plate is having holes. You can see that this is the plate. It is having the hole. So this hole guides the tool to do the drilling operation in particular place only. So in addition to the location of the tool, it will uh, uh, also helps in fixing the workpiece in a correct position. So if you want to match this hole with this some particular centers are provided, so you have to match these centers and you have to start the drilling operation. So this holes guides the tool to do the drilling operation in particular place only. You cannot drill here because the hole is here only, and it will you have to move the drill bit to this hole only, so that will faster the finding the location of the drilling operation. So it is the simplest of all the times. It consists of a plate with a number of holes. So it will guide the tool for making drilling operation. It is the simplest of all the types. The plate having the holes at the desired position serves as which is fixed on the component to be drilled. So it is fixed onto the components to be drilled, and there are number of holes placed on this template jig, so that will guide the tool to do the particular drilling operation on that holes only. So this is the about the template jig. So drill jigs is guided through these holes. Drill jigs are the drills are guided through these holes. So these holes are used to guide the tool to do the operation here only. These holes and drilled on the workpiece at the same relative position of the each other on the template. So relative position of the workpiece respect to the holes is also matched by this types of template. Plate jig. The plate jig is the somewhat improvement of the template jig. The only addition of this jig is there is a bushes are provided in case of holes. So in that plate jig we have only holes. There is no bushes here in the hole. But in case of plate jig, the bushes are added in the hole. Uh, it is the improvement of the plate jig by the template by incorporating the drill bushes on the template. So the plate jig is employed to drill the holes on the larger parts, maintaining accurate spacing with each other. So accurate spacing will be maintained because already the holes are provided on the jig. So on that hole only the drilling operation takes place. So it will maintain the accurate dimension which is required by the workpiece. So it is automatically maintained. So only thing that the difference between the plate jig and the template jig is that in the hole which is on the jig is provided with the bushes. Channel jig, so it is having it is also a simplest type of jig. It is having a channel like section here. You can see here C section. It is having a C section. So the workpiece is held between these sections. So workpiece is clamped above the channel jig is clamped above the workpiece. So the place this is the place for workpiece. Channel like section. This component is fitted within this channel. So within this channel, the components of workpiece is fitted, and the internal knob is there in order to hold the workpiece tightly. So there is a knob with a knurled wheel and wheel to rotate and to hold the workpiece in a place. So we have drill bush which is used to guide the tool to do the drilling operation. The component is fitted within the channel and is located and be clamped by rotating the knurled knob. So knurled knob here. The tool is guided to the drill bush. The tool is guided to the drill bush. You can see here. So this will use it for making the drilling operation. It will guide the drill bit to do the drilling operation. So this having the cross section like C section. So this section is used to hold the workpiece, and there is a knob in order to tighten or loosen the workpiece so that it will be firmly held onto the uh, machine. Next is diameter jig. It is used for producing or making holes in a cylindrical or spherical workpiece. So if you want to do uh, the drilling operation on the cylindrical surface or on the spherical workpiece, then we are using a diameter jig. It consists of a V block in the bottom portion, and in the top portion it is having a clamp which is having the drill bush also. So the workpiece is placed on the fixed on the V block and then clamped by the clamping plate. This is the clamping plate. So this clamping plate is also having the drill bush which is used to guide the tool for performing the um, drilling operation. The tool is guided through this drill bush which is set radially with the workpiece. It is set radially with the workpiece. Leaf jig. So it has a leaf or a plate hinged on the body at the end of the leaf, may be swung or open or closed on the work for loading and unloading the work. So you can see here it is having a leaf. So this portion is called as leaf, and this is the base of the jig. So it is a leaf. The end of the leaf is having a hinge here, so that it will be swung like this. It can open and close for locating and holding the for loading and unloading the workpiece. It will be moved up, and the workpiece will be loaded. And after the operation is completed, and the workpiece is unloaded by opening this, so that there is no much time is required every time by changing the uh, jigs every time. So no need of changing the jigs every time. Just we can open this leaf, and we can load and unload the components easily. And by closing this and by tightening the uh, latch here, we can hold the component firmly. And after the operation is completed, so this latch will be used, and this leaf will be swung like this, and so that it can be easily unloaded. So we have the drill bushes here on the leaf only, the top of the jig, which will guide the tools for performing the drilling operation. The work is located by the buttons and is clamped by the set screw. This is the clamp. And the drill bush guides the tool. This is the drill bush which guides the tool. Next is the ring jig. It is employed to drill the circular flanged parts. So it is having a clamping bolt which is used to tighten or holding the workpiece in the jig body. So if you tighten this nut, the workpiece will be held firmly in the ring jig. So it is top of this body is having the drill bush which is used for guiding the tool. The work is securely clamped on the drill body and the holes are drilled by guiding the tool through the drill bushes. Box jig. It is having a box-like structure. You can see it is having a box-like structure, within which the component is located by the buttons. So components are placed by these buttons. You can see a clamp. So by tightening and loosening this clamp, the workpiece will be held. So it is having the locators for accurately centering or setting up of the workpiece. It has got round locators and flat locators. The purpose of the box jig is to perform the drilling operation at various angles. So the earlier jigs are used for performing only the top portion, but in case of box jig, we can drill in any required angle. You can see here, we can drill this portion only in the perpendicular to this surface. Also, we can drill using the drill bushes. The work is clamped by rotating cam handle. So this is a rotating cam handle, which is also locates it. The drill bush guides the tool. This is the drill bush, and this is singularly hinged here, so this can be opened and closed at any time. The box jigs are generally employed to drill the number of holes on a component from different angles. So uses of the advantages of the box jig is we can clamp the workpiece, we can drill the workpiece at a required angle, which is not possible in earlier types of jigs. So before going to close this session, I'll show the simple video of jigs and fixtures, drill jigs. So let me show the video of drill jigs.
ड्रिल क्या होता है? वो प्रोसेस जिसकी सहायता से हम किसी वर्कपीस में हॉल प्रोड्यूस करते हैं। ये ड्रिल की बिट जो होती है अलग अलग डायमीटर की होती है, जिनकी सहायता से किसी वर्कपीस में हम हॉल प्रोड्यूस करते हैं। जो जिग्स होते हैं ये दो थिंग्स होती हैं, जिग और फिक्सचर। फिक्सचर जो होते हैं मशीन की टेबल पे माउंट रहते हैं, उनके क्लैंपिंग पिने रहेंगी और उनकी सहायता से किसी वर्कपीस को इजीली होल्ड करते हैं। इजीली क्लैंपिंग और वर्कपीस की डी क्लैंपिंग करने के काम आता है। जबकि जो जिग्स होते हैं वो मशीन के टूल को गाइड करते हैं और दूसरा जो फंक्शन होता है वो वर्कपीस को होल्ड करने का रहता है। ये मशीन के कॉलम पे रहेंगे, ये टेबल पे माउंट नहीं रहते। तो ये होते हैं ड्रिल जिग्स, जो ड्रिलिंग मशीन पे यूज होंगे, जो ड्रिल की बिट को गाइड करेंगे और वर्कपीस को इजीली होल्ड करेंगे। उनको हम प्लेट जिग के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, जो कि काफी टाइप के होते हैं। यहाँ पे जो दोनों फिगर है वो मैंने बराबर पैरेलल इसलिए बना दिए हैं ताकि आसानी से इनके बीच का डिफरेंस समझ में आ सके। सबसे पहले बात करते हैं टेम्पलेट जिग क्या है। टेम्पलेट जिग से मीनिंग है कि जिसमें एक टेम्पलेट प्लेट होगी, जो जिग हमारा होगा वो उसके लिए टेम्पलेट एक प्लेट होगी। तो ये टेम्पलेट प्लेट होती है। अब टेम्पलेट प्लेट क्या है? ये बेसिकली मेटल की बनी है और ये जो होती है टेम्पलेट प्लेट, ये अलग अलग शेप की रहती हैं। जैसे कोई रेक्टेंगुलर इन शेप की है या फिर सर्कुलर इन शेप की है, और उसके अंदर होल्स ऑलरेडी ड्रिल्ड रहते हैं, हाईली एक्यूरेसी के साथ में, हाईली फिनिशिंग के साथ में। तो इससे मीनिंग क्या है? जो नंबर ऑफ होल्स हमारे पास ड्रिल्ड रहेंगे उसके अकॉर्डिंग किसी वर्कपीस पे हम होल प्रोड्यूस करते हैं। तो इससे मीनिंग क्या हुआ? टेम्पलेट जिग का क्या फंक्शन हुआ? टेम्पलेट जिग जो है वो किसी वर्कपीस में एक्यूरेट होल करने के जो काम आता है ड्रिल बिट की सहायता से, तो उसको बोलेंगे टेम्पलेट जिग। अब ऑर्डिनरी तरीके से भी हम किसी वर्कपीस में होल प्रोड्यूस कर सकते हैं। लेकिन ऑर्डिनरी तरीके में क्या होता है, जो वर्कपीस है उसके ऊपर हम लोगों को मार्किंग करनी पड़ेगी कि कहां पे हमें होल करना है, तो उसके लिए पहले मार्किंग करनी पड़ेगी। उसी टाइम को, उसी थिंग को रिड्यूस करने के लिए ये टेम्पलेट जिग्स होती है। इनकी सहायता से जो वर्कपीस है उसको अटैच कर दिया जाता है टेम्पलेट जिग्स के ऊपर। ये जो टेम्पलेट जिग है इनके साथ में अटैच किस तरह से होता है, या तो टेम्पलेट जो जिग होंगी उनके ऊपर ही क्लैंपिंग डिवाइस लगे रहेंगे, क्लैंपर की पिनें लगी रहेंगी, फिर कर देते हैं या प्लेट को लगाने के बाद यहाँ पे होल से इसमें ड्रिल मशीन लगाएंगे और होल प्रोड्यूस कर देंगे। तो मार्किंग के नंबर ऑफ होल 4 प्रोड्यूस करने थे इस होल पे, ये फिर दूसरा टेम्पलेट जिग्स का प्रोड्यूस करते हैं। तो बार बार रिपीटेड नंबर ऑफ साइकिल में ये इसके जो होल है वो खराब हो जाते हैं ड्रिल बिट से। तो इसलिए इसका एक एडवांस रूप बनाया और जो प्लेट जिग बनाई, उस प्लेट जिग में हमने इसकी जगह जो यहाँ पे जो होल प्रोड्यूस कर रहे थे उसके साथ में बुश लगा दी, और ये बहुत हार्डन मटेरियल के होते हैं। तो वो बुश लगाने के बाद अब इसमें हम किसी मटेरियल में होल प्रोड्यूस करेंगे, तो होल प्रोड्यूस करेंगे तो ये बहुत ज्यादा समय, लंबे समय तक ये चल जाते हैं। इसमें इस तरह की प्रॉब्लम नहीं आती ये खराब हो गए होल। तो यहाँ पे ये होल जो है वो बचे रहते हैं और रिपीटेड नंबर ऑफ साइकिल में लंबे समय तक एक टेम्पलेट जिग का यूज करते हुए हम उसको आसानी से होल प्रोड्यूस कर सकते हैं उसकी सहायता से, और लंबे समय तक इसको चला सकते हैं। इससे मीनिंग क्या हुआ, होल की जो लाइफ है उसको इंक्रीज करने के लिए हमने टेम्पलेट जिग में बुश लगा दिए ताकि इसकी सहायता से आसानी से होल प्रोड्यूस हो।